Well, hello there, secondary students. Long time no see. Principal John here, welcoming you to another great year of teaching and learning at our school and hoping you all had a great summer. Unfortunately, we're going to have to start with online learning again. You guys know how to do it. You know how to use Teams. You know how to interact with your teachers. But if you need any help, do let us know. If you're a new student, please reach out to your teachers or to me or Miss Petra or Mr. JC or Mr. Co. We can all help you out with anything you need. So as you are starting a new school year, write again some reminders to please be on time for all of your classes, attend all of your classes, participate in all of your classes. Please make sure that you're an active participant. You're asking questions, you're taking notes, right? You're doing whatever the teacher requests of you to do for that class. Please make sure you have your uniform on for class and that your camera's on as well. We want to see your bright smiling faces, all right? So please make sure your camera's on, and that'll also help us interact with you better when we're teaching you. Okay, terrific. Also, another thing is please make sure that when you do have breaks, you get outside, you get some activity. When you do PE activities, please try to do those outside if possible, and really try to remain active. It's very important, to get that physical exercise for your physical well-being and for your mental well-being as well, okay? So please make sure that when you do take breaks, you get outside, you stretch, you get up out of your seat a little bit and make sure that that's good for your body. And again, the last thing I'd like to just say is, again, if you need any help at all, ask your teachers, ask your TAs, ask any of us in administration. We're always here to help you. It's always good to start the school year strong, so please follow my advice and we'll have another great successful year. I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys online in classes, and in the future, hopefully soon, I will see you live and in person back at school. Have a great first week. Enjoy meeting your new teachers and maybe seeing some of your old teachers and meeting your new classmates as well. You have a great first week, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye now, everybody.